Hi everyone! Welcome to my selfie ring light unboxing and review. You can get this product on Amazon for about $10. Check out the link in the description. The ring light comes with a USB cable and a rechargeable battery. First, I fully charged the battery. The ring light is equipped with 36 LEDs and has 3 brightness levels. It's easy to clip on most smartphones, tablets and laptops. I tested the selfie ring light with my smartphone and my laptop and it works pretty good. It is very easy to use and the selfies definitely look better. So if you're looking for a selfie ring light to improve the quality of your selfies, I would recommend this product. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.